Ward Hi-Tech supply the range of Dahlih machining centres. This machine here is an MCV720. It's got 720mm in the x-axis, it's got 460mm in the y-axis and 510mm in the z. This machine, in terms of the axis drives or the way the machine is built, the z-axis is built on a box guideway construction and the x and the y-axis are on linear rails. So you've got a good compromise there when you're looking for rigidity and for speed. So speed for the linear rails, rigidity on the z-axis or box on the z-axis for rigidity. The spindle on this machine is 8,000, but you do have the option to go for a 10,000. And importantly to note, this spindle is a BBT spindle, so it has got spindle, face and taper. And again, that coupled with the box guideway z-axis gives you plenty of rigidity when you're machining. Now today on this machine here at Ward Hi-Tech, we are going to machine a piece of 316 stainless, and we're going to do some U-drilling and we're going to do some milling, and we're going to do it using some quite impressive cutting data, which we'll touch on in a while. This model here, or this machine here, has got a FANUC control, and this is an OI control, and it's got the manual guide system within it. So whether you are G-code friendly or whether you want to have a conversational method to your programming, then you can use the manual guide for milling software. In terms of the actual build of the machine, we spoke about the axes, drives, the X and the Y and the Z. This machine has got a cast base. Now, it also has a direct drive spindle motor. So when you're looking for that power and performance, you've got a direct drive spindle rather than a belt driven spindle. Now, I'm going to go around to the side of the machine now, because there's some quite important features around here that we should touch on. So when you're generating lots of swarf, like we are on the demo that we are doing today, you need an efficient method of extraction. One of the things I like about this machine is you've got 3 augers. You've got an auger either side of the table, and then you've got an auger at the back of the table. Often overlooked when you're looking for a machine is swarf clearance, but you can see with this particular model of Dahlih, you've got plenty of exit methods for the swarf. So I mentioned the chip auger either side of the bed, and this is where those augers take the swarf. You've got 2 exits at the back of the machine, again, which is different to a lot of machining centres. Now the tool changer on this machine, it has 24 pockets, and it's got a random tool selection memory. So essentially, whichever tool you're looking to select, the tool will go towards the tool changer in the short, or use the shortest path, therefore improving the tool change times. This particular spindle also has through spindle coolant, so if you're looking to do U-drilling, as we are today with a demonstration, the through spindle coolant is an option that you should go for. We also have both air blast and coolant pipes around the spindle, so you've got coolant through the spindle but also around the spindle as well, which is important if you're looking for coolant flood wash. So the Dahlih machine, this particular model, can come with various options. You can have probing, tool measuring probes or workpiece probes, 4th axis units. You can even go for a 4th and 5th axis unit on this machine. There is options on the control. You can either have Fanuc or Heidenhain. You can have through spindle coolant as we've mentioned, or you can go for a 10,000 RPM spindle. Ward Hi-Tech carry these machines in stock. There's several machines here and they do that in order to service the demand from the marketplace. Often these days when you're looking for a machine, you can't wait a week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks or even 6 weeks. You need a machine tomorrow or this week. And if that is the case, then Ward Hi-Tech offer these machines from stock, very, very competitively priced. They come with obviously a warranty on both parts and labour. You should talk to them direct at wardhitech.co.uk. Alternatively, you can see this machine on mtdcnc.com.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.